Okay. I am your new partner. So as your new partner, my job is to support you, to help you, to develop you, and to promote you. Do you like this?
Yes, sir.
You people are absolutely energetic, passionate. You are a hot blood. And I am superbly excited to give you that promotion, that opportunity. I'm going to help you grow. We have a 3-approach segment. Number 1, we will focus on the sustainability model. Number 2, we will focus on the growth model. Number 3, we're going to take the organization to the next level. So in all these steps, who is the most important person? Say, we the people.
We the people.
So, are you ready to grow?
Yes, sir.
I see a leader in all of you. Do you see a leader in yourself? Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
So here's the opportunity, guys, I have for you. If you want to grow in this system, we have developed an amazing concept for all of you. Number 1, we're going to set up some amazing training programs for you where we start continuously developing your skill sets. And now, there's an announcement I have to make. As a company, we believe in promoting people from within the organization. My name is Dr. Sabir Anwar Shah. I'm your new CEO. A louder one! Give it up! One more time! Now bring it down. So give a bigger applause for the whole team here. One team!
One goal.
One team!
One goal.
One team!
One goal.
One team!
One goal.
As I always say, get back to work, people. Thank you, gentlemen.